Look at this. Caveman Keno with the professional Keno. Well, other than Keno.
Yeah. I was Keno before Keno was cool.
Right? So, how do you play this, John? Teach me.
You just pick some numbers.
Do I pick my own numbers?
If you like. You have to bet first. You have to bet something.
Oh, how do you bet?
At least one.
Bet one.
Yeah, there you go. Now you can erase if you want to.
Oh yes, let's erase.
And then if you want to pick a certain numbers, you can just do that, or you can have the machine pick them for you. Say hit quick pick.
And what do you like to pick? 9 or like 8, or is that too many numbers?
8 is usually my go-to.
8.
7 or 8 is to me is kind of the sweet spot because if you can hit something, you'll actually win some money.
12,
Below that, you don't win very much.
And 43.
But a lot of times you can.
How about 3 numbers? Then I get $26 if I get them all.
If you get 3 of them, yeah.
3 out of 3,
It's
$26.
not that. If you want to kind of grind away and play for a longer period of time, it sometimes is better to play at just small numbers because you get
little wins.
Because you're going to hit that 4.
You think I'm going to hit that 4 in 20 spins?
Oh, not in 20 spins, but you'll hit a bunch of these along the way.
Oh, I got 20 spins to hit it.
You'll get 2 out of 4 a lot.
Really?
So that'll.
But that's only a buck.
Yeah, at only a buck. Yeah, but you get your money back. It's like, feeding a poker, you get jacks or better. You just get your money back.
Right. Okay, I gotcha.
So yeah, but like I said, you can pick you can pick up to 10.
Yeah, 10 max. Let's do 6.
There you go. If you
$780.
6 out of 6, which I think I did it once. Not playing dollars though, so it is possible.
And then you hit that little start button and she goes,
I know Keno's hit 7 out of 7.
Yes, he has. I've seen that too. I've seen that.
I've been on a quest to hit 8 out of 8.
He plays multi-card.
Well, yeah, I think I think he hit that on a non-multi-card. I like to play multi-card too, but it's a little like crack. It's not really good for you.
Well, there we go. I'm learning.
All right.
Let's hit that little start button, see what happens.
And then it makes funny noises, and if it hits, you get a little red one. The problem with the 6 spot is you got to get all the way to 3 to get anything. So you're going to have a lot of dead spins.
Oh, that's not good then.
So it's a little more volatile than probably 5 because, like I said, you look at the pays, and these are not bad pays because we're in the high limit room.
Right, yes.
But like
high limit room here, guys.
You're getting paid on the 2. Once you get to 6, you have to get to 3. So it's harder.
Ah, so 5 would be better.
Yeah, well, arguably. Obviously, there's a bigger reward if you actually.
But small, yeah.
But it's harder to get. So there you go.
And what if these eggs crack? I've seen these eggs cracking or something.
Yeah, well, if you get 2 of the eggs cracked and you hit something, it's multiplied by 4.
Oh, nice.
If you get all 3 eggs to crack, it's multiplied by 10. So theoretically, you could win $7,800 on one spin.
Whoa.
It's not likely.
On a $1 spin.
But I have hit 7 out of 8 with a 4 times multiplier a couple of times, so it does happen.
Okay.
There you go. I hope that helped all of your viewers.
Yes.
Learn more about
all of them.
Both of them.
Yes.
It's like mine.
Okay, I'm down to 5. Let's do that again. 5's better.
There you go.
I'm learning.
It's less volatile.
I hit nothing.
Of course not.
Oh.
You have to get into the whole Zen of the experience.
Okay.
When you're playing.
Well then, I'm just going to turn this off and get into Zen.
Get into the Zen.
See you in a bit.